Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to continue our chapter 3, factors and multiples. Today we are going to discuss on the topic SCF. SCF, highest common factor, or what we call greatest common divisor. SCF is greatest number which divides two or more number without a remainder. It means a greatest number which divides two or more numbers without a remainder. So in this, what we have, question is there in front of us. We take an example 12 and 16. We have to find out the greatest common factor of 12 and 16. So first we find out the factors of 12 and then we find out the factors of 16. The factors of 12 will be, if we talk about the 12, 1 multiplied by 12, we got 12. 2 multiplied by 6, we got 12. 3 multiplied by 4, we got 12. So what is the factor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. 16, if we talk about the 16, 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 4, we got 16. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are the what? The factors of 12 and 16. Now the common factor is 1, 2 and this is 4. So this is the common factor of 1 and 2. Now the next thing, common factor, we are going to write common factor. Common factors, how many common factors are there? 1, 2 and 4. But the highest common factor is what? 4. This is the highest common factor. So in this way we can find out the highest common factor. Now the next we will talk about, the next method is the prime division method. The next division we will talk about the prime factorization method. By the prime factorization method, which you have done in the previous exercise also, the prime factorization method, from this method we can find out the HCF. Now suppose we take an example of 44, 60 and 36. So we have to find out 44, 60 and 36. First, with the help of prime factorization, we will talk about factors of 44. 2, it will be divided by 2, we got the answer 22. Again 22 divided by 2, we got the answer 11. 11 is divided by whom? 11 is divided by 11. So we got the answer 1. Next is 60. 60 is divided by whom? It divided by 2. We got the answer 30. 30 divided by whom? 2. We got answer 15. Now 15 is divided by whom? It's divided by 2 or 5? It's divided by 3. When it's divided by 3, we got the answer 5. 5 is divided by itself. We got the answer 1. Next is 36. 2, it divided by 2. We got the answer 18. 18 is divided by 2. We got the answer 9. 3 is divided by 9. We got the answer 3. 3 is divided by 3. We got the answer 1. So if we talk about the factors, 44, we have 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. Now if we talk about 60, we have 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. If we talk about 36, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So the common factor in this is 2. This is the 2 and this is the 2. The common factor in this is 2. Common factor is 2 and 2. Highest common factor we got 2 multiply by 2. What we got? 4. The highest common factor we got, the answer is 4. In this way, we can find out the prime HCF with the help of prime factorization way. Now, student, you will know how to find the HCF with the help of prime factorization method. So, we will discuss some more example of the prime factorization. First, we will discuss the factor by HCF by factors. This is your question of your exercise. Factors of 24 and 36. Factor of 24 and 36. First, we will discuss about the factors of 24. 24, 36. If we talk about the factor 24, 1 multiplied by 24, 2 multiplied by 12, 3 multiplied by 8, so the factor is 1, 2, 4 multiplied by 6. So the factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. If we talk about the factors of 36, 1 multiplied by 36, 2 multiplied by 18, 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9. So in this way we can find out the factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now the question is that what is the highest common factor? HCF, you first find out the common factors. What are the common factors? And through the common factors we can find out the highest common factor. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 12 is there. Highest common factor. Among all this 12 is the highest common factor. So we write now the answer is 12. In this way we can find out the highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. So in this way you can do the question by using the factor. Now we will do the question of prime factorization using the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method, 20 and 48. You have to find out the factors of 20 but you using the long division method. 2 is divided by 20, we got the answer 10. Again the answer is 5. 5 is divided by whom? 5 is divided by 5, we got the answer 1. Now again 48. 40 divided by whom? It divided by 2, the answer we got 24. Again 24 is divided by 2, we got the answer 12. 12 is divided by 2, we got the answer 6. 6 divided by 2, we got answer 3. 3 divided by itself. So the common factors we find here, 2 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. 48, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, we got 3. If you cross check, 2 multiply 2 we got 4. 4 multiply by 2 we got 8. 8 multiply by 2 16. 16 multiply by 3 we got 48. So the answer is right. So we will find out the common factors. First we have to find out the common factor. 2 is there and 2 is there. So 2 and 2, these are the common factor. But the HCF of this is 2 multiplied by 2, we got the answer 4. In this way you can do all these questions. Now let's take another example. (49) 70, 77. 49, 7 times 7, 7, we got answer 1. 70, 2, it divided, the answer is 35. Then 35 divided by 5, we got answer 7. 7 divided by itself, we got answer 1. 77 is divided by 7, we got answer 11. 11 divided by 11, we got answer 1. So 49, we have 7 multiplied by 7. 70 equals to 2 multiply 5 multiply by 7. 77, 7 multiplied by 11. So in this we have a common factor, this 7. 7 is the common factor. So common factor we got 7. The highest common factor we got 7. So our answer is 7. So in this way you can do the questions of this exercise. Now the homework for today is homework, do question A, question B and question C of exercise 3.2. You have to do question A, question B and question C of exercise 3.2. Thank you students.